Ninth Conference of CPIML Liberation Hills Party Committee concluded on 18th December. Assam State Outsourced Power Workers Union agitated over temporary terms of their service at Dipu. Long platform trucks struck to a school boundary wall at Sukhanjan on 18th December. Good morning viewers, you're watching KAL English Live's English Prime Time with me, Marvelous from Parpit. And now let's hear the news in details. On 18th of December, Communist Party of India Marxist-Leninist Liberation Hills Party Committee HPC successfully conducted its 9th conference, which was held at Dipu Club from 17th December. On the initial day, the conference session was chaired by Protima Hippie, General Secretary of KNCA and CCM. Amidst the session, a conference draft was also constituted where international, national, Assam, KAL English Mahasau's affairs were discussed, followed by the body reshuffling of Hills Party Committee, where Ravi Kumar Phangcho was re-elected as the General Secretary of CPIML HPC for the third consecutive term, and 16 new executive members were enlisted into the committee. Several agendas like autonomous state, interstate borders, preparedness of 11th General Conference of CPIML Liberation on 15th to 20th January 2023 at Patna, Bihar were discussed. Also, a unanimous resolution was adopted during the initial day of the conference. Partha Kamakar, Secretary of CPIML Liberation Tripura State, as well as the member of the Central Committee, attended the event as the central observer of the conference. In the following day, the conference was started by hosting the party's flag from Ravi Kumar Phangcho, the new re-elected General Secretary of CPIML HPC, which was followed by paying homage to late Vinod Mishra, ex-General Secretary of CPIML Liberation, led by Protima Hippie. A peaceful procession to Dipu town was also organized amidst the conference. Ajit Kashwaha MLA Bihar Legislative Assembly joined the procession along with Partha Karmakar, Central Observer, Ravi Kumar Phangcho and Protima Hippie. A memorandum citing the issues of autonomous state, interstate borders, unemployment and many more was submitted to Draupadi Murmu, Honorable President of India, through the Deputy Commissioner of KAL English District. The last session of the two-day conference was an open session. It was chaired by Ravi Kumar Phangcho, General Secretary of HPC. Ajit Kashwaha, MLA Bihar Legislative Assembly, attended as the chief guest of the event. Partha Karmakar, Central Observer, Protima Hippie, Sumit Timung, Rocky Dogby and several dignitaries of the party attended the event. News Desk report for KAL English Live. On 19th of December, Assam State Outsourced Power Workers Union staged a protest at the office premises of Assam Power Distribution Company Limited, Dipu, over their temporary terms of services, demanded to recruit them in a permanent employee basis. There are 12 subdivisions of Assam Power Distribution Company Limited across KAL English and West KAL English districts, and more than 2,000 employees are currently working on a contractual basis. Some employees had exceeded the mark of 12 years working as a contractual employee of APDCL. Therefore, on 19th of December, Assam State Outsourced Power Workers Union assembled at the Deputy General Manager's Office of Kanch Electrical Circle, APDCL, Dipu, and staged a protest with a demand of recruiting them on a permanent employee basis.
কাৰণটো হৈছে আমি বহু দিনৰ পৰা আজি 10-12 বছৰৰ পৰা মানে ইয়াতে অস্থায়ী হিচাপে আমি কাম কৰি আহিছোঁ আৰু এই কাম কৰি থকা হিচাপে আমাৰ কোনো ধৰণৰ সুফল ন্যায্য দাবী আমি পাব পৰা নাই
ningkan krehini balason plengket lo plengtang so tami pini anda nilitum maphan pini anda mane permanent gadu we phanmang na ବ୍ୟବস্থাপন pedal to man mathapon pedal se pini nitum rang dak rang se chesong nang kok lo.
News Desk report for KAL English Live. On 18th of December, during late night hours, a long platform truck hit the boundary walls of Amurajan Golf LP School at Sukhanjan under the jurisdiction of Bokajan Police Station. As per the resources, it was informed that the long platform truck bearing registration number UP06 T1299 loaded with a consignment of edible oils hit the boundary walls of Amurajan Golf LP School after losing its control while reversing the truck, consequently deteriorating the boundary walls and washrooms of the school. Bokajan police reached the spot and took over the incident following legal procedures as per the law. Teachers of Amorajan Gov LP School demanded the reconstruction of the boundary walls and washroom of the school.
গাড়ী মানে যেটি কোৱা মতে ড্ৰাইভাৰে গাড়ী পুৰণা বিৰচিত ৰাখি ঘৰ সকলোলৈ গুচি গ'ল। তাৰপিছত হেণ্ডিমেনে গাড়ীখন উলিয়াই আনি ইয়াত খুন্দা মাৰি আমাৰ ৱাল আৰু মানে ইউনিয়নটো ভাঙি দিছে।
এইটো কেতিয়া হৈছে?
এইটো যোৱা ৰাতি।
Likewise, on 19th of December, around 9 a.m., an Innova car bearing registration number AS06M5303 and a bike bearing registration number AS09F5060 made a head-on collision at Balipathar, falling under the jurisdiction of Bokajan Police Station. No loss of life had been reported so far. The victims of the accident were instantly rushed to Bokajan CHC hospital for their treatment. Bokajan police reached the spot and took control over the incident. Ananti Rang's report from Bokajan for Karbi Anglong Live. And that's all we have for today. Thank you and have a nice day.